habits of excellence, habits of success, entrepreneurship, leadership and management, learning and development, and outlook, mindsets, attitudes. Hello world! Welcome to AskLouieB. You ask the questions, I'll give the answers. I'll go back to that misconception. If people are not responding, they're disengaged. I disagree. They are engaged. Sometimes if you have their videos turned on but they're on mute, you can see them laughing at the background. Yes, you can see their facial expressions reacting. You can see a lot of them nodding. Okay? So that's why it's also important to ask participants, especially if you only have a small class, to turn their videos on. Turn their microphones on mute so you eliminate the disruption caused by background noise or background music. But you can see their facial expressions. If the video's not turned on, because you're saving on bandwidth, especially if you have a class more than 15, more than 20, more than 30 people, then you really have to plan and plug in your questions and your instructions for participation. This is Louie Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.